This is Nancy with Nancy's Garden Soap, and today I want to show you something I learned from watching some polymer clay videos on making lilac flowers out of soap dough clay. So I have soap dough here, and I need to make it purple. So I'm just taking a little bit of this. Maybe I'll grab a tiny bit more. And I'm going to add some purple mica to it and mix it up. And fast forward this part so you can see. I've got some purple mica here. This is Cosmic Purple. Take a little bit of this out. Don't think I'll need all this. And I just take it and put a little bit onto it, and then mix it in. Alright, that's a decent enough color. So now what I want to do with this soap dough is roll it into smaller little chunks. Get the gloves tight enough. Alright, so you want to take a piece of soap dough and you want to form it into a teardrop shape. Now this one's really big, but I'm going to do that for demonstration purposes so you can see it. That's pretty big. And then you want to cut down the top here in an X pattern. That, and like so. And then you open this part up here, like that. And it makes kind of like a lilac flower. It's a little bit big, but it's a lilac flower. And then if you take some soap batter or some soap dough, depending on your preference. I took this yellow and I thinned it out a little bit and stuck it in the bag. And this I did yesterday. But you can take that and you can just take a tiny little bit and squish it into the middle. You make a cute little flower. It didn't take a lot of time. Now you certainly could improve on this by flattening out these petals, but the really fast way to do it for something like that would be a little bit more efficient would be to just cut it and split them apart and put the little drop of yellow. You could also pinch the back off some to make it. Let me try making another one with you. I prefer them a little bit smaller, but there's nothing too shabby about that. So I'm going to take this one here. Roll it into a teardrop shape, like so, and then cut the top in an X. I'm thinking that greasing this blade would probably help so that it goes through faster and comes out easier. My light just went out. Alright, there we go. Pull it off the blade. Let's see how we did. Alright, so we got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, like so. I like the other one better, but a little bit like that, and then just take a little dot of this and squeeze it out into the center of it. And there you go. Now we have 2 of them. Cute. You know, it's not polymer clay, and it's not going to be jewelry that's going to last forever. But and it's also a little bit easier to work with these. Let me see if I can do one of these without the gloves, so you can get an idea of how they work when you're not trying to keep everything gloved up. So we'll take one of these like so, roll it. Those gloves are a little bit challenging. There we go. All right. could probably make it even smaller. Like so. And very gently press down, lift out, press down. I know it's scary. And, but you're really not pressing that hard. My son came in singing. It's kind of funny. Alright, let's try that. Split these parts apart. Flatten them out. You can spend more time on them. I just don't know that you get a whole lot, a lot better results. I mean, that's nice. Like that. I think it needs a little line right here. Delineation right there. That's cute. And who knew this was that easy? Alright, put the little drop of yellow in the middle. This is just soap dough that I added a little bit of water, wet my hands, and rubbed it around, and then threw it in the bag. Okay, I think that's kind of cute. Anyway, let me know what you think. And I hope this is helpful when you're working on your spring flowers. Get some soap dough made. You can also buy some or check out the recipe. I have some on Etsy and also on nancysgardensoap.com. And if you check the comments, you'll see where you can find the soap dough. And I hope it's been helpful. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.